Hello everyone, I'm Masood from Masood Structural Studio. We select model element and select our DWG file. And select curves from CAD layers. We insert a string and write val and connect it to layer name. Run Dynamo and check. And select again DWG file and run. We check all of this layer, created and call. Okay, we select Python script. This script help us to convert line to PolyCurve. We copy and paste in a string. This script Python is in Patreon channel. We select flatten list and connect to this script Python. We copy and paste and save and run. As you can see, all PolyCurves created. Now we need to another Python script for get width and height PolyCurves or val. We connect output of line to PolyCurves script Python to width height without repeating script Python. We select this code, rectangular PolyCurve to WHN, and copy and paste it. As you can see, all of the width, height created for walls. Now we select wall types and we select duplicate, connect wall type to element type of element type point duplicate. Now we need script Python for generate name from thickness of walls. Width prefix to name A. By 0 index, connect to script Python with prefix to name and we need new string for prefix of name, for example W and run. As you can see, name of wall created. Now in project browser and walls, as you can see, name of this wall created. In edit type, now this wall created, but width of wall not matched. Now we need to family type points set component layer width. As you can see, we get number and connect to layer index. This is 0, and we need get name or get width by name. We copy this script, all of this script in our Patreon channel, Senior Structural Engineer. As you can see, all of the thickness of wall edited. Excuse me. Now we match all of the input. In Dynamo player, this item must be is input. Now we run Dynamo player and run wall created family. As you can see, we set prefix, for example www. We select our WG file and layer name, and then select wall type and run. As you can see, all of the wall create. Don't forget like and subscribe and comment.